I am so grateful to the McCawleys, both Tom and Mark, for the work they've done on me. Gum work, laser gum work, implants, and everything has gone beautifully. I'm here today to repair an error made elsewhere at a dental office, and it all went well. And it's amazingly surprising because I came in with tears and I'm walking out with a smile. I want to add that both are such gentlemen and such wonderful workers and make me feel very confident and relaxed while here, and that this is the most efficient office staff I have ever known in any medical office. I'm not sure what else I could add other than I am thoroughly grateful.